Hey everyone, this is Elevators of Lake County, but I'm not in Lake County right now. I'm in a building in Park City, specifically the Gateway Center. And this Gateway Center has some Dover impulses, so let's take a ride. Here it is. It's got the well, that's not good. It's got the safety edge. Dover. Let's get a view of the COP. We'll go to 3. There's the indicator. Oh my god. There's a hole in it. What the hell? That is glass too. You can see me in the reflection. Hi there. It's a bit bouncy. And we're leveling on 3. And here we are. Dover. And Dover blue in the shaft. And, hey, you wait. We'll go to 1. And we'll watch the indicator on the way down. Hi there. Not much to see. You can just barely see it. It's a bit dim. This elevator's creaky. Leveling. And we'll send it up and watch it go. All right, let's run. And that's it. Thank you for watching.